Hello everyone, welcome to UiBrains and this is Naveen. So in this video, we'll see a new question. There's something called string explosion. Okay, so here they given a non-empty string like this one. You have to return the string like this one. So if you observe closely, see what they're doing is first character, right? And then starts from the zero, two characters, and then three characters, and then all. Okay, so you have to return this string. So first let's understand what is the pattern here. So they given code, you have to give C, CO, COD, and COD. Okay, if I give ABC, should be what? A, AB, ABC. So they expect like this. So how you get this? So how you get the first character? You go for carriage, right? But how you get this? Two characters. Okay, then you go for the method called substring. Okay, so simple and very easy question it is. You have to just loop this particular string by each and every index, and in that you have to find out the substring of from the zero index to the any index. So from zero index, if I pass 1, you get the first character. If I pass 2, so 2 characters. Here pass 3, 3 characters, 4 characters. So keep on add up these substring to a temporary string and return. Okay, so now here let me write the solution for this. Let me copy this program and paste it here. So just for time being, I just say string temp is equal to empty string. Now let me write a for loop int I equal to 0 and I less than or equal to str dot length and I plus plus. Okay, so here you have to just find out the substring starts from the zero index. Okay, so str dot substring of str dot substring of 0 comma I. So why I've taken the hard code 0 is see here in this every next string has to start from what index 0. So I just fetch from 0. The 0 is fixed and this can be keep changing. So that's what I write here. And this substring I have to keep on adding to the temporary string. I go for a shortcut. Temp plus is equal to substring. And finally, you have to return the temp. Okay. So now let me just copy this. Go to here and paste it and click on go. Yes, all success. And that's what the solution. You can even check the existing solution. Yes, they also write the same and they write a substring function and 0 comma I plus 1 they write. Okay, they are doing with I less than length. Okay, there's one more solution and this is our solution. Okay, so this pass this video and just see the solution and please practice on this, and thank you so much, and we'll meet in the next video for the next question. Thank you.